We visit KKV and we find a section of sketchbook, and at the bottom there's a watercolor paper that says it's artist. So let's review them. And amazingly,
Wow!
it's less than 100,000 rupiahs. The watercolor paper looks very nice. In its A4, it says it's 200 GSM and it's not that thick. It's cold pressed and it's also 100% cotton. So first, let's make the sketch. The sketch is available to purchase at the link below. I will also share all the colors and the product link in the description below too. My first impression of the paper is there is a little bit of texture in the paper. The first layer I always start with a little bit of wet on wet. And the paper could not really hold the water well. But let's see later. During mixing two different colors on paper using wet on wet, I could say it does what it says as cotton paper, which is much better than cellulose paper. Although it's not really holding the water for a long period of time, but it's still a pretty good paper for that price. You can see it's still in the wet on wet. Let it dry first. When it's dry, the watercolor goes lighter, but there is a harsh line of the watercolor effect. The paper could not really do wet on wet well. But let's move on painting the bird with wet on dry technique. conclusion, the paper is pretty good for wet on dry technique. The paper is also easy to control, but I do not recommend using the paper for wet on wet technique. Let's make the background again even bolder, so it can cover the previous background that is light. So here is the result. Comment below what do you want to see in the next video. Please like, subscribe also.